What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream, guys. After a long, busy week, I've been busy. I was hell busy last week because we are growing, baby. We are fucking growing. I was busy with my work. I was busy with the other stuff going on in my life. Plus, I was working on advanced and professional trading sessions that I'm currently making. That's gonna start from next month in October. So yeah, what's up, Zoravar? Good afternoon, brother. I hope you're fine. Let's let's quickly move on towards moving the market. Gold is about 2600, but it's not crossing about 2630. Gold need a gold is uh, in a range where it's too overbought and it's gold is currently sitting short somewhere around where you can't buy it anymore. And when you are trying to sell it, your stop loss is so tight that it constantly keeps on hitting it. And last week I was unable to stream because I was so busy, but I was in touch with Premium Group 1 and 2, and to be honest, those shots didn't go well. Four, I think I gave around 4 or 5 shots. Two of them they hit TP1, and they were like running break even, so they closed after hitting one TP. They all closed at break even, and two or three of them, they hit stop loss. So fuck it. But since it was our profit, not our initial capital, so this was all right. But some new people joined that group, so anyways, we covered that loss from our trade running from GBP USD. As I say, everything is transparent. I don't hide anything. This is your GPY. So this is the advantage of being in a group, that if that let's just say the gold trade doesn't go well, there are other ways to take profit out. And this signal was given last week, and it's working well. Plus our oil trade is also running profitable. This is a long swing. So yeah, it's not like we are in a loss. We are already in profit. Just like it's all right. As I say that if you can't take any losses, you won't be able to make profit. And by the grace of Almighty, we made tons of profit. And everything is transparent live on a stream. So yeah, brother, what's up, Rahman? How are you, brother? Mera, so is it a buy or a sell? You again over there. So is it a buy or a sell? Brother, it's a sell. We are waiting for a drop. You know what? The entire market is waiting for a correction. Look at this. Currently, after this, I have to update this. This is insane, okay? This is insane. Nothing is more insaner than this. People are ignoring the fact that a huge correction is imminent. The more, and the thing with sell is that it drops. It's like when a knife drops, it drops so fast. It's probably gonna take around 6-7 hours, and it's gonna be here 25, 12, and 10, and then it's gonna start climbing up. Gold is eventually in a uptrend, but it need a correction in order to move above. Cannot ignore the fact. Today in Asian session, I give this signal. Let's talk about the present. And this signal didn't go well, but I got pissed off and I removed my SL. I went against, because I was like, I'm done fucking hitting my SL. Although the signal was given on group 1 and 2, I hope they followed it. Well, there were not a lot of people there were like 20 to 25% people from group 1 and 2 that were awake, that took the signal. They probably hit a stop loss, but I didn't tell any of them what I'm doing, because I wanted to test this out. What if gold pumped up further? So I just waited, because as I say that when you sit down to trade, you don't make decisions At that time you make your decision before you start your day, and I decided I'm only gonna sell. I don't care what the people say, where the market. I made up my mind, I'm gonna sell, so I'm gonna sell, although my buys are still running. Mostly people are DMing me, you still have those buys running? Yes, I have them running, and I said I have no interest in closing them. This is going till the end of this year, December, but I am looking forward to short this. Why? Because it need a correction. So I opened another layer of sell over around 25, 26, 30, and I gained this. I didn't give this signal because I was just testing it out. And my TP1 was around 26.17, TP2 was 26.13. It hit and I took my profits, and I wanted to test it out because gold has been pissing me a lot. But the reason is, as I say, it's easy in gold. When you wanna buy, it's easy to buy. When wanna sell, it's really hard to sell because sell is temporary, buy is permanent. But still, we need a correction because we can't move forward without any correction. Unless there is a correction, gold will not move above. If people can't understand it, they're in a big trouble. They're in a big trouble. You need to understand how a market works. I'm fine, by the way, Zoravar. The nice thing is that about trading is that when you trade more than just one thing, you always have a plan. Our plan was, besides gold, was Forex, oil, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I've been scalping. A lot of people are asking me, what did you do? DMing me, sir, what are you doing on weekend, this and that. I was scalping Bitcoin. I was scalping within this range, and I loved it, to be honest. All the scalps were running good. And currently I'm still scalping. A lot of people, they wanted me to share the copy trading code, and I said wait for that. Already too much going on. I don't want to jump here and there like a monkey from one branch to another without a plan. Then you'll end up dead. If you have any questions, you can ask me. This is just my trading. I didn't share this trade with anybody. Last Friday, a lot of people were rude. I didn't give this away. Whatever the thing you call this, you guys think this is the thing I used to make money. No, this is just an illustration. My streams were short because people were getting more and more rude. They think this is a fucking signal providing a stream. No, this is a motivational, a mindset change, or whatever you call it. Not a fucking stream that people depend on me. Come here, learn. See what you don't know, where you're wrong. Try to understand. In the meanwhile, if you're making the profit, it's a plus point. But just don't sit here like a zombie, like a brainless dead person who just won't even think. Use that brain. God gave you that brain. Use it, man. Mostly 80% of the people, they just come here, buy, sell. Okay, I'm going. Use your head. This is why I reduced my stream hours last week. Because if I just keep on giving, first of all, nobody is giving clear exact entry exit points. Nobody. Everybody is putting the ICT SMC thing. Oh, look, you happen to know. I'm just put it for the visual representation of where the people are entering. So I don't do what they do. It's like a reverse psychology thing. It's been busy. It's been really busy week, man. Last week and this week is busy too. It's gonna be more busy. Look at the way the gold is behaving. You know, and this week we have lots of data coming in too. We have let's just go. Today we have around for 5:30 New York time, probably after 20. What do you say? 29, 28 minutes. Oh, sorry, 20 minutes, 21 minutes later, we're gonna have PMI. Okay, PMI is okay. Looking forward to it. Besides PMI on Tuesday, we have consumer confidence, and for the premium group 1 and 2, we also have, what do you say, in the morning we have Bank of Japan Governor Udia. He's gonna basically come out and talk about Bank of Japan policy regarding interest rate hike. So looking forward to that with you guys. Our trade is still running, so most probably our trade is, we're gonna keep it running. Plus, on Wednesday we have new home sales and crude oil inventories again. For the premium group 1 and 2, we have our oil trades running, VTI. So a plus point for that. Right now, Fed Kashkari said I expected smaller steps going forward for the Fed. Kashkari is basically if after Jeremy Powell, if there's somebody you have to take seriously, is Kashkari. Anyways, coming back on Wednesday, we have anybody who is interested in US, odd pairs, but most likely people who trade gold and like to do correlation entries in Forex plus gold. In the morning there is CPI, so the premium group 1 and 2, keep an eye. In group 2 I haven't posted any odd pairs currency signals, but I will post eventually, because let those guys first get the hang of oil, after gold, and then yen pairs, then slowly I'm gonna move them. On Thursday we have unemployment claims, and on Friday nothing special. There's nothing special on Friday. Oh, there is PCE, core inflation gauge. So again, we're gonna prepare for the week ahead. We're gonna open our trades today, and we're gonna try to carry those trades to the end of this week. Most probably on Thursday we have unemployment, and on Friday we have PCE. So we will try to open sell entries and try to take those sell entries onto the end, till the end of this week. And how we gonna do this? We're gonna do this on live streaming. Look at gold dropping now. But I'll still wait. Right now gold is being like a bitch. James Johnson, welcome back to the stream, brother. Head and shoulder. I don't believe head and shoulder. None of those bullshit, brother. I don't believe those shit. Those are some, like so weird stuff. Never comes in handy. It's useless. Even the head and shoulder, it's useless, if you know what I mean. I can't take direct names. In short, gold is a sell, okay? And guess what? I think if this area start to retrace, I think this area is a really nice place to enter a sell, but I won't immediately sell. I will wait for the data right now. We have P. Gold Gold has potential, to annoy us actually. Gold cannot further push up, so yeah. But even then, I never give up on. So if you're watching this stream right now, I would most likely, if I want to sell, because my sales are already running, I would sell somewhere from here because I know a pullback will happen. The thing with putting a stop loss before the news is it will eventually hit. But this is my initial plan for today's signal that I'm gonna provide. But I'm gonna wait for the news, USD news, because it's gonna pump up a little bit and then it's gonna drop down. I already have my these two trade running. I removed the SL, which I shouldn't have. It was against my trade plan, but gold pissed me off to a point where I said fuck it, and I took TP1 around here. And it's still like that. I haven't even put those trade on. I'm against my trade setup rule, but I don't encourage you guys to follow it. It's just that I'm pissed off, so I'm doing this. This it can backfire really hard on me, but it's all right. As for now, gold is in a sell mood. If let's just say if gold moves below 2620, I would say that same sell setup which I posted earlier in the Asian session, this will be viable. The same setup, exact. If you miss this, let's just say if the pullback doesn't happen, it drops. So we will likely it drops down here and pullbacks over here. Then our entry will be around 2620. But I think that we have to wait. Patience is the key. One of the things you have to notice over here is that this line is the exact same place where the price came, and the zero zone 0.382, and it just bounced off like nothing happened, and most likely the price is gonna come back over here. But I'm being more careful when I'm talking about gold signals because gold is behaving really, strange. When gold, one more thing you guys have to notice over here is that put gold and silver 4-hour candle side by side. You would see that silver has made a huge correction, but gold hasn't, which means that gold supposed to be down somewhere around 2592, 2580, but it's still up. This is not, this is a clear sign, evidence that a correction is coming. People are still buying because people are stupid. Like and subscribe, guys. I'm looking for 30 likes. People don't understand. Those are retail traders. They're gonna, they are the ones who are always in loss, and there is a reason for that. They never learn. We follow our trade plan. We have been following our trade plan. I mean, just now in today Tokyo session, I removed my SL, but the other trades I've been following it. I provided 4 signals for short. 2 of them hit TP1 and other trades were on break even. So we came out of it. The other 2 they hit SL, so I'm kind of pissed off. But it's we have to accept it because if you're not prepared to take a loss, you cannot make money. And we made so much money in the past three weeks that it's all right if we come across, because this is the boiling point. When the water is boiling, it's gonna drop out. That's the exact same thing happening with gold. So this is why I say, okay, gold is supposed to be drop down, but it is not dropping down. So we have a nice time to focus on other things than gold. So yen, euro, pound, USD forex pairs. I focused on them. I gave the signals on oil. I was scalping crypto. You have to take your mind off, and you have to tell yourself it's all right. We're gonna get out of this situation. Not gonna we're not gonna get stuck in this situation forever. Look now, gold is acting so nicely. It's like, okay, let's drop down, but still waiting for the news. This this is our entry area. I already I took a sell over here, but I encourage you guys to wait for a pullback up here and then enter around 25, 26, 24. But if it doesn't, just enter over here 26.20. In short, this entire golden zone is a nice area to short. I can easily go and put 26.20 to 26.24 and SL around 26.31. I can't go wrong on this. Why not do it then? Let's do it then. The thing is that if this gold drops, it's gonna drop so hard that I have to be more precise when I'm talking about when I have like over here about the TPs, because it's gonna drop so hard, so fucking hard, that I have to be more precise about where those stop losses or sorry TPs are gonna hit, because you don't want to miss those. This is a premium signal that I'm providing today. Oh my god, not this again. Try to carry this trade. This is our entry. This is a premium signal that I gave right now. I think this is the first time I'm giving away a premium signal. Just to, get a head start. Just like a giveaway, like a retribution for last week. But nevertheless, looking forward, I'm gonna be right back. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, 2 minutes left for the data. And data is, I think even the bullish, if even if the data is bullish for gold, it's gonna, gonna push it down. The reason is that gold is acting really strange. It's supposed to make a correction because on 4 hourly silver has already made a huge correction. But gold hasn't even made a single bit of correction move, so I expect gold to make a huge correction. PMI, baby PMI. But the PMI will actually come at 6:45. I forgot to see that. I thought it's coming in 5:30. Sometimes it happens. So we have plenty of time to mess around. What's basically, if we just talk about what are the market risks currently, the euro is in a really weak state because in the morning Asian session, euro USD dropped down. Gold was or dollar was pumping, and because there are some economic concerns regarding the European economy. Europe is in a shithole, man. The war is making, the situation miserable. The Ukraine war. And whenever the winter is around, they have a tough time. Why? Because they dependent on Russia for oil and gas. And whenever the winter is near, just like the last year and the year before it, the oil prices went up. So this is why I was long on oil. VTI, I mean. Crude oil. Because winter is near, man. You always buy VTI when winter is near. Even if it's cheap discount, you just grab it. And besides that, Fed Kashkari, he just said right now, I expected smaller steps going forward for the Fed. And one remark he made is, really strange. He said, I penciled in 50 basis points, more cuts than 20. I mean, he's basically saying, I expect more base cuts, like similar to 50 base cuts. I mean, what the hell? Even he further made remark that there are lots of uncertainty about where Fed will cut to. Of course, man. Everybody was expecting a 25 and boom, 50 rate cut. And Fed boss, he said, a half point cut at this meeting does not lock in It means that now they're worried. What if this week unemployment and PCE doesn't come the way they expect it to be? So what do you think is going to happen then? Of course, the market is going to move really strange then. Here we are again. Gold is moving to our entry area. Gold will do what gold does, baby. It's too quiet today. It's too quiet. I like it. If this is the finally, if the gold is dropping, so I'm gonna carry these short trades from 25, 20, 26, 25 on to the next week. This week, I will carry today's trade into Thursday and Friday. I'm gonna keep these shorts running. That's what I will do. So many less people watching. Guess what? Monday, anyways. RTP1 is sitting over here. So yeah. In short, I'm expecting gold to make a huge move. Not just to 2550, but I'm expecting it to move to 2490. Yes, 2490, 2486. And then again, it will again start, making a correction. Now, mostly people are saying, why would you look at this, man? I won't even tell you guys what this is. But when I say it, I mean it. That move is coming, but nobody knows when it's coming. So we just follow the price and we take what the market gives. That is the smartest way. I, you know, let's just say if we are buying gold, where the hell will you buy gold from? I mean, there is no place. There is no entry. There's only a sell setup. I four sell entries on premium signals. Two of them hit TP1 and were on break even. Came out of it untouched. Two of them hit stop loss. One of them I in the morning I opened up. I still running that trade, and plus besides that I have another trade which I opened at 25, 26:30, and right now I just gave this signal up. This is the entry area. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you can go ahead. It's really peaceful over here. By the way, you guys can see the slides up over there, so I won't be repeating everything. But just for once, the second batch of beginner trading session is starting from 1st October, and this you can see the seats are limited. Plus, group 2 is also about to close. It's half full, and there are more people coming in. It's just that they always have some problem regarding payment. I don't know why, man. But yeah, then group 3 will be open in the mid of October, and it's gonna be 15-day whitelist. So DM me. Then if you are selected in the whitelist, then the link will be sent to you. You make your payment, and then a link will be sent to you. Join it. Plus, I'm working on advanced and professional trading session. I'm piling up every notes I have or whatsoever. I've been using trading setups and techniques and this and that, and that's also going to be starting in October. And advanced and professional are expensive. It's not for everybody. It's just for professional traders. Advanced trading session is going to be starting from $2,000, and professional one is gonna cost around $10,000. So, and it's gonna the seats will be really limited, just like 8 or 10 seats, because those are for people who are full-time trader who wanna take the who wanna make 20, 50, 100K per month. They're like it's like next level shit. I've been doing that a lot in the past few years, but I will be doing that with you guys on YouTube. I mean, the people who basically gonna reach out from the social media. I've been doing that in my personal life quite often. So yeah, looking forward to that. It's nothing, man. It's nothing. People made tons of money. I said last Friday I'm gonna post the feedback videos of group 2. I will do that today. It's just that I was busy and lazy. I was so busy, man, that I needed the weekend off, man. I needed to take my mind off from work. Reset. It's really necessary to reset. People don't realize. I was working. I won't lie. I was working on the weekend nights, looking at trade setups and everything. I'm not uploading weekly gold, analysis because I'm live streaming. So yeah, there's no point. Also, I will continue further on. In some point near future, I will start posting weekly analysis. But as for now, my current target is to reach 100,000 subscribers till the end of this month, and I hope we do that. Even if we have half, it's okay. But yeah, my ultimate goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers till the end of this month. Then, because that's the point where it will get exciting. Then I will, increase the stream duration. Because right now there's so many less viewers. I don't want to waste my time and their time. So I'm waiting for the right time to stream for really long session. But we need audience for that, don't we? My signal is here. I won't be here, I think, when the data gets released, like after an hour or so. After an hour. But I will be in touch with the premium group 1 and 2, and I will be in touch from updating in the free Telegram group. Join it. And like and subscribe, guys. Trust me, it helps. It helps a lot. Just 5 likes today, 6 likes. 53 views, it's okay. I don't blame them. Mostly people are, why we are buying, you're selling, you're gonna suck this. It's okay. I have a plan. You have a plan. You follow your plan. I follow my plan. My oil trades are running good. My yen trades are running good. I've been scalping crypto. It's alright. I can live with that. And I say it's okay. If we hit stop loss, it's okay. We've been hitting a lot of TPs. So, it's okay if we have some, trades that didn't go well. It's because, we made up our mind. We follow our plan. And it's not like that gold gonna keep on climbing. The market is gonna sell it just like it pumped it. Probably right now the dumb money is making money. They're letting the dumb money make money, so they open more buy orders. And guess what's gonna happen on if it doesn't happen today, it's gonna happen tomorrow, it's gonna dump down. And all the people who are like buying last week and they increase their buy order positions this week on Monday from Tokyo till New York session. They will, why is dropping? Why should go up? Oh my god, my stop loss is about to hit, and they'll be like this. It's gonna be, it's gonna happen like this. Because look at silver. Silver has made a correction on 4 hourly, but gold hasn't. This is why I don't trust. I absolutely don't even trust a buy on gold. As soon as the gold start dropping, not gonna stop. And it's gonna happen really quickly. The the thing with buy and sell in gold is that when gold pushes up, it pushes up in a way that it does a little pullback down, then it pumps up. But when it drops, it drops so hard and is so fast, and it won't even move up. And buyers, they're on a mercy. Lord help them. What's up, Azad Jar? See, this is what I was talking about. Look at the pump. Yeah, I'm very busy these days. I'm working on advanced and professional trading sessions. I'm working on a lot of other things. Wrapping up the first trading session. Plus, copy trading is also coming, so I was setting up brokers for crypto and Forex and gold related copy trading. And finally, yeah, and you need to enjoy the weekend because weekend is for to enjoy, is not to sit at home. Okay, so we are back. I'm back. Yeah, it's gonna drop soon, but it's gonna annoy us. It's gonna annoy. A drop is coming, but the thing is, you don't know it's gonna drop now or then. You just have to wait. Follow your plan. What's the worst thing that can happen? Hit your stop loss once, twice, thrice, four, five. But eventually it's gonna work out. When it's gonna work out, it's gonna cover everything. You can have two choices. You either follow your plan or you wait. I am doing both. I'm following my plan and I'm waiting. If people are buying, let them buy. I don't care. I have my buy running from 2400 range and we are sitting at 2600. Crazy, isn't it? It's just fucking crazy. I have my buy which basically is like $150, $60 difference. That's holy fucking shit. And everything was on live stream. And we took TPs and we let two of we have some trades still running. Gold is still bullish after the 50 base rate cut, but we need a correction. If there is no rate correction, then these rate cuts are gonna backfire. And gold is not just then gonna drop, it's gonna drop the shit out. It's just like it's gonna drop and people will buy, and it's gonna drop more and people gonna buy more then, and it's gonna drop more harder then, and then people will be frustrated and will buy more, and then it's gonna keep on dropping harder and harder. And then when people think like, oh, finally the sell is over, the drop is, and they open buy, then it's gonna drop even more fucking harder. That's gonna be crazy shit. You think you know the market, then the next thing is you don't even know anything. Every year is different, every month is different. We are at, and we are walking towards the end of the month. 2024 is about to end in 4 months. What do you expect? You expect gold to stay above $7,000 increase? Not 7,000, sorry. Actually, I am losing my mind. It is 7,000. The drop is coming, the pullback is coming, but I think it will eventually hit that fucking zero line, one line. It's okay if it hits, it's okay. I won't be surprised. This has been going on. Let's take a look at Euro USD. I forgot to talk about this. This was probably today where the market opened in Tokyo session. This is with Tokyo high. Tokyo high is around 2631. And this is basically London high. This area over here right now is London high. And right now, New York just completed its 1 hourly candle, and the new 1 hourly candle, which is supposedly in this hour, the stock market is also gonna open. This candle has the potential to push gold down below 2617, 2613. In short, if gold is down 2610, then our trade will be successful, then our short will be successful. Then we will, relax. Even now, it's alright. I mean, our trade is alright. What can you expect? A perfect pitch entry? No. You get some entries like these. Join the Telegram group, guys. I'm really happy that people in group 2, they made profits. Last week, last week Friday, Thursday, Friday, it was a bit of, gold disappointed, but group 1 is familiar with that for more than like, this is their third month, but group 2 is about to complete its first month with me. In overall, the group 2 has done far better than what group 1 did in its first month. I'm really happy for all guys in group 2, even the guys who joined recently. The thing is that you have to keep a long sight on gold, and I have a short time, short sight too. The drop is coming on gold. This is what gold annoys a lot. When gold is about to drop, it will act in a way that it's not gonna drop, and then the move is gonna happen so fast that you won't be able to even catch it. It won't even give you a chance. gonna pump. One thing is really strange I have even noticed is that when the trade is about to hit stop loss, a lot of people start, joining in, and when the trade is profitable, they just leave. I don't know why. I think we live in a strange era, strange world, but I hope everybody who's watching right now, they're watching you know, with the aim of trying to improve their knowledge. Mostly people will be like, why is this guy selling when the entire market is buying? Because, gold is overbought. You're buying your dumb money. Dumb money no make no money. We already made so much profits. If you have opened buy swing orders just like I did, because I have my buys running from, I'm gonna, post it. People, ask me quite often. This is my current sale and these are my buys when still running. So if you have any thoughts or question in your mind, just go through this. These are the live wins we got. And the premium trades, I don't include premium trades in this, just live which I give over here. And I'm just selling gold. Selling gold, baby. This is my entry area. But if you are able to get an entry area around somewhere 26, 27, is good, grab it. Because I have around the same area. You have to be smart about your choices. I'm gonna close my eyes and take a small nap. In the meanwhile, you guys enjoy the view.